Kakadosh Boker Tov. We're just going to mention the last minute halachot of Erev, Sukot, and Sukot. Obviously, today we have to do Eruv Tavshilin, and we're going to come and wash our bodies, take haircuts. This is going to be Lichvod Chag. There's an yan of mikveh, of purifying ourselves before the Chag as well. So today we have to do the Eruv Tavshilin. Remember that if you do not do it by accident, so therefore you still will have what to rely on, but you're supposed to be doing the Eruv Tavshilin today, and then the minhag is that you eat it on Shabbat, whether it's going to be on the night of Shabbat morning, or it's going to be on Sudah Shalishit. But the minhag is, the custom is that you're going to partake from the Eruv Tavshilin, because since you already started the mitzvah, so you're going to do another mitzvah with it later on during the Chag. Today, which is going to be Erev Sukot, this is when you're supposed to tie the lulav. The reason why is because you're supposed to make a kesher shel kayama, which means you're supposed to make a knot which will be obligated on Shabbat. Now on Yom Tov, you cannot make such a knot. On Yom Tov, you would only be able to do a kesher aniva, which is basically like a bow knot. So because of that, we do it on Erev Yom Tov. So Erev Yom Tov, you're going to come and you're going to tie the lulav. Remember that what you're supposed to do is that there's going to be two different ways of doing the tying of the lulav. You have the way of the Arizal HaKadosh and then the Shla Kadosh, right? The way to do the Shla Kadosh, which a lot of people in Morocco used to do, was 3 on the right and 2 on the left. 3 at the seam on the right and 2 on the left. Remember, this is when the Shidrais, which is the green part, is facing you. So you have the green stem facing you, the back of the spine. So that's what you're going to do. 3 on the right, 2 on the left. There is, according to the Arizal HaKadosh, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put one in the center, inclined a little bit to the right, another one on the right, and another one on the left, and then the aravot are going to be in between the two ones on the two outskirts. That is the way of the Arizal HaKadosh. Either way that you do it, it's going to be fine. Remember that the hadas should be taller than the arava, and the lulav itself on the top should be 1 tefach above the rest of what's going to be there, the hadas and the arava. Some people have a minhag of also beautifying it with other things as well, but obviously you're not supposed to do it because of chatzitza. Don't do it exactly where the hadas and arava is. If you do want to beautify something, it's going to be further up, right, but not further down, meaning not where the hadas and arava is. It's only going to be further up. Now, when do we take the lulav? We all know that we're going to do it after Chazarat Hashatz. There is an inyan of making the bracha in the sukkah, and that's why we go to the sukkah, we make the bracha and then come back. And the way that we're going to do it is we're going to do the na'nuim, that we actually move our bodies. Meaning some people, they come and they just do it, everything, they stand still, and then they're going to go front, back, this way, that way. No, our minhag is like the Arizal HaKadosh, that we actually turn our bodies. And whenever we're going to turn, the minhag will always be that you always turn to the right. So therefore, if we're starting the south, and that's what we do, and now we're supposed to go now to the north, we're not going to turn this way. We have to make the right. So we're going to go, we're facing this way, the south, and now we're going to go this way to the north. Once you're already in the north, now you're going to go the other way, which is going to be to the east and up and down and then to the west. So you're always all the turns that you're turning are always going to be turning to the right. In the Hallel, obviously, we say full Hallel the entire time. The first 2 nights we're going to make Shechianu. The only difference is that the first night, Shechianu is the last of all the blessings. Because what happens is first you do B'rei Priya Gefen, after B'rei Priya Gefen you're going to do the Zeman, you're going to do the Sheva Sukkah, and then after the Sheva Sukkah, then you're going to do the Shechianu. The second night, since you were already in the Sukkah, so therefore you're going to do the Shechianu before the Sheva Sukkah. So therefore, just on the second night, you're going to switch and you're going to do it. Whenever there's a Kiddush, for example, at nighttime, so the night times we always do the Sheva Sukkah during the Kiddush. During the daytime, some people have a minhag of doing it during the Kiddush, but our minhag is usually to do it during the Motzi, which means during Motzi, we're going to go like Shitam Maram, which was basically going to be the first we make Motzi Lachem Min Haaretz, and then we make the Leshev Basukah, and then we're going to partake from the bread. Those are the majority. Obviously, there's going to be much more halachot, the Blina that we'll speak about throughout the Chag, but that's just to give a little bit of a recap of what we're doing for tonight in order just to remember, Be'ezrat Hashem.